Odofo mamema akwaba emra Adom TV. Dwumadi ato ne dini se Nkuranhyemre eso. Me am ti dwumadi ho chia me edi am jeso e osomfo Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego. Na afi we so Yakopon ayemadom ema onsa kamea na me ka se afi we nkro emra meto ye mfepa so. Na no me so anopa ena madamfo be frem ye. Ose ni ene watete wapo mu ne me kire nse no anajo chese me nante be 4 kilometers ose wa ya de ya ta tre wapo na make ya kifita ye ko Ebri Gardens Afro people asane eye nti watete wapo mu a oyedie mu ye den na wonya hoden de ye de woyo na woka asawie na san bisa mo se, do people also strengthen their mental capacity? Apart from say yes, I see a body, yeah, macho, na no. Do we even exercise the brain and the mind to increase our mental toughness? And to be able to one thing, be my grandma tintin, but sabi will be na noa. A son said, "Na dream employer, na dream any nyina so ntino." Na dwene emukasa enne honam ensem fata. For many of us, our body will never recognize our mindsets. Neither can our mindsets recognize our bodies because they are far apart. This morning and this afternoon and this evening, I will be our shaman. Me pese ye trinity ye honi ebisa ye say, e bed den na madwene mu asipi, agina yie, e de na ma na meya be kire say me so me mental toughness. What are the things I can do to increase my mental toughness? Because indeed, mental toughness is necessary. Whatever you would decide to do goes through the factory of your mind. Good or bad, great or small. Even if you want to be happy or sad, it has to go through your mind's factory. Therefore, life is manufactured by the presence of the information on your mind. I mean, life is manufactured by the presence of information or knowledge on your mind and by your mental toughness. Said the word dream a sipi, a general hofano. Sa na wabrabotie. Tinana permino be kan sembi achiro de abeti mayo. Na yehunu se wo so adwen gina ho mapa. Your friend, you have to have the presence of mind. You have to have the presence of mind. When I talk about the presence of mind, it is the ability to stay composed in all situations. You can't be an adwimu SCP or one day. And you'll be a sabi and so a bokra or jinaho. Emra or Dabano, when him said the Osiri Kudru. Emra will be a one of Tredeno, when him said the Jinaho Sabi. He is composed. Oh no, Oshen Hodne, now Oshen Hoso. Sancrofono, Wotimi, Emma, and Yoma, de Amumu, a chain, a pet danquamba, and faso dear. They are able to delay immediate gratification because of long-term goals. They are able to control their impulses, making Abrante say wo hwe me wo hia ga bi manhwa ho ho so wa wo shukura he kura ase dutu sabe atade he wa ase kura no ase botokuro wo so chenchira ga na akopɛ no ade ba akopenti se ubenya empo wode e wo ya ase na ntika mo ma sa ode ne twen so na aboabo ahonya nia wo pa ka akofo sa ba na se wo ha no. Many of us are not able to delay our immediate gratifications and impulses. Abame so se meyo. Esimiti me se meyo. Oya sa say wadwene mu ensipi unya adwuma ahode. Woni a ewa adwuma ahode ye woni a wotimi hye wo ho so. Ahohyeso. Bible no ka kire me say de owa ahohyeso no se obi a watwa na ne kuro ho fasuo. Na de oni bie no na ne fasuo nyina bubu na aboa bi atimi wura mu bi. O ahohyeso o kasa so. Wahohyeso atenka so. And wahohyeso e won ne so. If you have self-control, or if you're able to delay your impulses, you're able to control your emotions. You're able to control the words that come on your mind and which comes out of your mouth. You're able to control your actions and reactions. That is the essence of a person with mental toughness. Nyekasa or mental toughness are when that's so. Say in the next 10 years, the next 20 years, say na me kono. Na esa say na me kono ntino. Me hwe benkum, ehwe nifa, ehwe osoro, ehwe fom. Mepe nyansa ne akade a me de ko ba bia me ko. Empo enoma ye ka no se mfa ba bia me ko ho amintie. Enoma ye yo no me bro no so no se mfa ba bia me ko ho amenhwe. You control what you listen to and you control what you watch because you are focused on a goal. Obu anapa sorry soap opera no try TV achi 2 hours. Don't hear me no. No phone the phone WhatsApp 1 hour. Was so pa brabo abu. When you're mentally tough. Mentally tough people are able to control their taste for certain things and they focus on their vision and goals. Mentally tough people are able to adapt easily. So you be na se nipa o bebre a onim se do no bebata wom de di nkomo na oni obi e eba nyesa afi no adu ajaman baba no okunku kwa mi ni o baba de bi unya mentally tough ahoma so nche se o mental tough we arrogant o mentally tough. Mentally tough people are humble and they link up with everyone. We should be a osre. We should be o timini nipa yanketa ho papa. We should be o de bone eche. We should be a Oma ade ntane mu ncha oyobi a sebe na adwem no o wadwema hoden na adwem asipi sempo se challenges ba ananam sakra ana empo nyoma ankoyi a o hwera te nka so ebisa no se ede na meyo amabra bo be koyi nye se ye yara dabi ori wonsu kwa ana won sere kwa o hye no so no wabisa na ho se empomponso amadu ede na meyo amafiri mu na empo mede me na asem nyankopon na onipa aba ose agemeso bebre na wo ya ade a wo pesa amanfo be ka say why ade opanipa anim ayi enye. You don't have to seek validation from others when you are mentally tough. You know yourself. You know your strengths and weaknesses. Wouldn't be a hon no one na wo me be o mere yo nti oni esa wo ye na nya wonim ye no bepa obi obeboa wo yesa wo ye na kwaje na wo danda wani so obi okwa ha tare o se o twen so be ka se na tare efe date na ya hwehwe ma wo yesa otimi siesie ho na gitum se na wa yo na efe na to na muntuo yesa chese we are mentally tough. To be able to be mentally tough meje wade bi, you have to be mindful of yourself. Some bosu koko mu na hu nipa wo yo ono ya na ye be wiase akasa doso dodo enti mechi oni ba me nsa ba ya e be boa wo ne ye enedey. First, have breathing exercises. A breath to breath no transidin na ja home ko mu na ja home no pie ba ne be mpre numa na mpredu na echo mu no na o ka kire on say my brabo be yi na ohumi apie no na ohumi abufuo ne oyawdie apie toso mienu wa oni padua ne hwem e fa ne body scan he na eme ya obekọ de na hamie meja mu de na teteme na o scan o body kura no se wo de ubie mfoni wani so se me mfie menu ebe me pese me do some pempo una twa mfoni e fa ni imagination na se mfoni no aya wo de na wabo won se wo ho na pa na muntuo aha na meja wo na megiri se sane ma me de ama wo wo heso de bubura se be ya won titi wapom keke na be titi wonya nsemu watenka mu ene wadwene mu o ma me mfa na ase ma eja wo be kampadu na me na me amenu be ma weba frempon na me nda Michael osmosis ene obi a wo bo adwumade e ba ofie mu ade achi a nyame ka ne se uno nyame entina